On my left, we're going to hear from our chorus program this morning. They're going to sing a song called Glory, and this is done in sync with February being Black History Month, so I appreciated your preparation for this. Let's give them a round of applause. Welcome this morning.
One day, when the glory comes, it will be ours, it will be ours. Whoa, one day,
when the war is won, we will be sure, we will be sure. Whoa, glory,
glory, glory.
To the heavens, no man, no weapon formed against. Yes, glory was destined. Every day women and men become legends. Sins that go against our skin become blessings. The movement is a rhythm to us. Freedom is like religion to us. Justice is juxtapositioning us. Justice for all just ain't specific enough. One son died, his spirit is revisiting us. True and living in us. Resistance is us. That's why Rosa sat on the bus. That's why we walk through Ferguson with our hands up. When it go down, we women and man up. They say stay down, and we stand up. Shots we on the ground, the camera panned up. King pointed to the mountaintop, and we ran up.
One day, when the glory comes, it will be ours, it will be ours. Oh, one day, when the war is won, we will be sure, we will be sure. Oh, glory, 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 glory. Now the war is not over, victory isn't won,
but we'll fight on to the finish now. And then when it's all done, we'll cry glory, whoa, glory, oh, yeah.
Selma is now for every man, woman, and child. Even Jesus got his crown in front of a crowd. They march with the torch, we gon' run with it now. Never look back, we done gone hundreds of miles. From dark roads, heroes, to become a hero. Facing a league of justice, his power was the people. Enemy is lethal, a king became regal. Saw the face of Jim Crow under a bald eagle. Our biggest weapon is to stay peaceful. We sing, our music is the cuts that we bleed through. Somewhere in the dream we had an epiphany. Now we right the wrongs in history. No one can win the war individually. It takes the wisdom of the elders and young people's energy. Welcome to the story we call victory. The coming of the Lord, my eyes have seen the glory.
one day.